Install the seal plate gasket. Position the seal plate over the shaft and secure it to the bearing housing with the hardware. Clean the seal cavity and shaft with a cloth soaked in fresh cleaning solvent. Inspect the stationary seat bore for debris and imperfections and remove any if present. To prevent damage to the shaft sleeve O-ring on the shaft threads, cover the threads with electrical or duct tape. To ease installation of the seal, lubricate the shaft sleeve O-ring and the external stationary seat O-ring with a very small amount of P80 emulsion or water. Slide the O-ring over the shaft until it seats against the shaft shoulder. Remove the tape covering the threads. Check to ensure that the shaft threads are free of any tape residue and clean if required. Slide the seal assembly onto the shaft until the external stationary seat O-ring engages the bore in the seal plate.